good, bro? Morning.
Inside of my BMW M4, and today we're rocking the nice BMW Motorsport sunglasses. We're headed to a few car events today. We're gonna be chasing some exotic cars and some supercars once again. We've got the PML Quick Strike to head to, and then we have some nice canyon driving to do with some Lamborghinis and McLarens. So let's go ahead and pull up to the first location. God, the M4 is sounding phenomenal today. Listen to that. So we are now on the road. We're headed to the Quick Strike. Not too far of a drive, so it's nice and early today, around maybe 7:30 a.m. The air is crisp. It's the end of October. The crackles are crisp. I'm feeling good today. We should be seeing a lot of exotic cars today in today's video. Not only that, we'll get a chance to drive with these things as well. So like I said, I'm excited, man. You know it is near Halloween in LA when you see advertisements like this, man. We're in Hollywood. Honestly, not my favorite place out here, but it is quite entertaining to see what films are coming out. You see The Exorcist is just right there, front and center. There's also a new Leo DiCaprio movie, which might be pretty good. Oh, Robert De Niro's in that one too, wow. Pretty wild to see Hollywood this empty, man. It's normally super busy around here. Started some cool cars here. I saw a wide body i8, some 911 Turbo S is brand new. We got more cars pulling up as we speak. So yeah, we're gonna hop out and check some of these things out. Look at all the colors on the spec on this Huracan, man. That is wild. Got another Lamborghini pulling up too. This one's orange. Roadster Murcielago. Supra. Got the Murcielago on the back street around 8 a.m. That's gonna be a nice way to wake up though. Very out there spec, but I like it. We've seen this thing on the channel plenty of times. BBS wheels, I mean full 1016 Industries body kit. Pretty epic if you ask me. So right here is also a Cadillac CTS-V wagon. You don't often see these cars, especially in the wagon form. Top of that, you know it's modified, so it's got big drag radials on the rear. Check out the front end of this car. It's got the splitters, the aero side skirts and everything. This is platinum. You see it's Mercedes Central, man. We got AMGs, which is like a C63S coupe, got some S classes, CLS AMG. You can see a Cullinan right there. And we have a red G-Wagon. Gotta love the spec on this Turbo S992. It's beautiful color. It's like a very dry pasty green. Love it. Yellow calipers. Wow. This is nice as well. SLR McLaren. Mercedes and McLaren collab on this car. These things go for north of $500,000. Beautiful car. Super rare. Wow, you see SLR on the badge. All the intakes, front engine, of course. And the mirrors on this thing too. I think the doors go up as well. We got some JDM boys pulling up. So RX-7, a Supra. Check that out. This Liberty Walk wide body BMW i8. You don't often see these cars modified at all, let alone to this extent. I believe signature wheels on it. It's very beautifully built. Wide side skirts, wide rear quarter panels. Even got a wing on it too. Looks like it's on air suspension. You can kind of see Playboy Liberty Walk air kit in the rear. Nice diffuser. This thing looks good, man. I love seeing these things modified, but especially with the wide body kits. Looks really exotic. You can see more and more people are turning up today. It's still pretty early. Got a nice G80 M3. I mean, also has white interior, but I love the darker colors on these cars. It's just the full white carbon buckets on the inside. Beautiful spec. There goes one of the G80s that just pulled in. Almost identical spec to Sasha's M8 competition. Same wheels, same satin black wrap. Beautiful on the G80. Wow. There goes the M4 pulling in. Then over here we have that Murcielago. We kind of get a closer look at this thing. Looks like the exhaust is definitely aftermarket. Titanium possibly, straight pipe. So this thing sounds incredible. It's the V12 naturally aspirated car. HRU wheels, satin black finish on it. And look at the interior. Whew, very nice. Toyota Supra. This is the real Toyota Supra too, but on the tow hook you got the Starbucks holding the cup nice, carbon splitters, these Volk wheels, full air on the car, full body kit, spoiler. Left-hand drive, but nevertheless, man, look at the diffuser on this thing. Huge exhaust. Slipping right under our nose is an E39 M5. I think this is titanium silver. Wow, same interior as my old car. Silverstone. Oh my goodness. Obviously, I prefer the more OEM look. Looks like it's got some kind of exhaust on there as well. Man, every time I see one of these things, I just get flashbacks, all the memories. This car pretty much started this channel. If you guys have been subscribed for long enough, you'll know I had an E39 M5 in blue water. That car, man, I miss it every day. Got a doppelganger. Looks like white, I think Alpine white on the F82. And it looks like Chris in the red F80 with the flame tune pulled up on us. So we got 3 super loud cars, but some of the flames we saw in the recent video is just wild. I mean, I'm talking like maybe 3-4 foot flames coming off that car. These are a bit smaller because it's got the OEM exhaust, but it has catalyst downpipes, but nevertheless, man. Now we get a chance to check out this RX-7 up close. There's carbon everywhere. Look, the whole hood is carbon fiber. You can see a big turbo intake right up front. Look at the interior on this. Handles are carbon fiber. Recaro pole position seats, I believe. Digital clusters. Properly done car. Ooh, here in the Aventador. Matte black is probably one of the best colors on this car. It looks like a Batmobile. Check this out, it's a nice Lotus Emira, brand new car. It's also got Michigan manufacturer on the plates. Got a cop rolling by too. These things are nice though. V6, looks like it has a manual transmission. See, it's a near first edition, yellow color, peanut butter interior. Nice. Audi R8 V10 pulling in, nice purple bluish color. It's kind of dying out. We're gonna hop inside the M4 and get back on the road. Oh my God. Whoa. My goodness. Man, if people weren't awake by now, they are now awake, officially. I've been seeing a lot of these two cars in the past few vlogs. Phenomenal cars. It's nice to see one, it's more of like an OEM type look. The red one, and then Nick's has got the diffuser. Would be nice to see a spoiler on that thing. But nevertheless, man, both these cars are sick. I think this combination is nice. Two F80 M3s and the M4 F82 coupe. My goodness. I'm sure some of these people are like, are these cars broken? Oh, man. As you guys can see, we made it to the next location. We got some nice cars here at this one. You see the M4 is parked up right here, but we have a lot of Lambos again, just like we've seen in one of the recent videos. We got a red Huracan, a black Aventador, a twin turbo Sheepy Race Huracan in white, and then we have another red Huracan straight pipe. It's also a nice McLaren 650S right there in satin black. We'll check that out in a second. We can see this is a track built Porsche, I believe it's a Cayman. Full wide body kit, even has nitrous. NOS engine right there, carbon fiber intakes, but just look how big the wing is on this thing. Insane. Rear bumper delete as well. You can see that straight pipe exhaust, carbon fiber exhaust tips, plexiglass for the windows. You can see there's even an air tunnel going to the rear to feed that engine to give it more power. And then the interior, we have nice detachable steering wheel, full bucket seat, and of course this thing is a manual transmission car. And not only that, it has a wrap and a livery on it as well. What do you guys think about this build? I think it's really cool. You can kind of get an idea from like a more stock type Cayman, the newer Cayman, carbon fiber fenders, but this thing is a lot wider, a lot more aggressive, and just set up for the track. See Kevin's pulling up in the GTS. What's good, bro? Morning. And right here you can see that satin black 650S McLaren. Look at the wheels on this, beautiful. See that logo's even etched on there as well. Yellow brake calipers. Then we come around back. It has some kind of aftermarket exhaust system on the car. The spoiler is active, but also carbon fiber. Beautiful car right here. I think it's a drop top as well, so it's a Spider. Then we take a look at the interior. Got a nice carbon fiber steering wheel, bucket seats. You can check out this red Huracan we drove with the other night. It's got a body kit on it, maybe 1016 Industries. You can see the carbon fiber on the fenders, the hood, front splitter. But not only is it red, it's got the white interior, so nice contrast as well. Carbon fiber steering wheel, big spoiler on the rear. I believe this one has a really loud aftermarket exhaust system as well. Here goes Marlon's Huracan twin turbo from Sheepy Race. It's actually his birthday cruise today, so happy birthday to him. Full carbon fiber diffuser, but you can see the exhaust is titanium as well. And then you can see Sheepy Race right there on the door. Very nice car. HRE wheels. Then we have an Aventador, like this full carbon piece on the back. Spoiler, exhaust. And then lastly is this red Huracan. Very tastefully spec'd. Size forged carbon fiber spoiler. Nice. I like these cars in red. Alloy wheels. See the doors going up on the Aventador.
Depending on if there's any law enforcement, hop on the 14 south to and then drive to Valencia.
Man, now this is a nice sight. We have a BMW M bike, a super bike, and 3 supercars in front of us. The McLaren, 2 Huracans, one of them Sheepy Race. I like this. And this super bike right here sounds really good. Love the DCT, man. I miss the manual, but the DCT is so efficient, so sharp. Oh, he's shooting flames off the bike too. with some traffic. Oh, this is just a vibe, man. Out exploring with the boys. Oh, we got a tunnel. So as you can see, we got the cars parked up out here in Angeles Crest. Man, it's a beautiful day out, completely blue skies. See, the Lambos are looking good, the M4 is looking good as well. Got a couple Beamers, more cars over there. Carbon fiber glistening on the Huracan, looking good. This McLaren, man, I really like this thing. The spec on it, very subtle, but the wheels make it pop. Nice contrast with the yellow brake calipers as well. And those exhausts just poking out there. Beautiful car, man. See, from this angle, this group of cars right here, McLaren, 2 Huracans, and my M4, absolutely epic. So we're just hanging out here for a bit, grabbing a few photos, and then we're gonna get back on the road. We get a chance to check out this Aventador up close in the flesh. Again, this is far from just a normal Aventador. Now that I'm looking at it closer, there's a lot done to it. This whole back piece is carbon fiber. You can see there's a roof scoop actually dumps some of the air out the back, probably for aerodynamics. These intakes are dry carbon fiber as well, so you can see air goes in there, out there, and then more air goes in through there. Probably feeds it through the engine. Very efficient. The wing right here, carbon fiber as well. Looks like it's adjustable. And then not to mention this whole piece too is aftermarket. I mean, this piece and this piece is aftermarket. And then the whole diffuser is a whole separate piece. I mean, that's wild. Just on the rear end alone, that's got to be a lot of money spent just in carbon fiber. You can see the side skirts as well. Even this piece right here added carbon fiber. But this thing right here is a proper Porsche, serious car, wide body kit. We checked it out in the parking lot, but to see it out here in the canyons kind of makes it seem like it's at home. Just look at that, man. That's got to be fun to drive. Proper. Very cool car. You see there's a whole bunch of brand new Corvettes right here, if you guys are into that. It's not the biggest vet guy, but it is nice to see some Motor City cars out here being driven. There's a 911. So now we're gonna go ahead and hop back in the M4. We're gonna get back on the road, do some canyon driving. Now we got this McLaren in front of us. Just look at the rear end on this. Timeless design. I imagine we're gonna pick the pace up a little bit since the Huracan is now leading. Got some bikers coming through. Woo. Man, it's something out of a movie. Look at this. That's wild. Have a rifle. Must be hunting. I don't know how legal that is out here in California. That's crazy. I don't think open carry is a thing here. You guys are gonna have to let me know. Up so well with these cars. You can tell they're flat out, so am I. Just not much difference in performance. It's wild. That is wild. The F82. This car can have a lot more power Just does so well right next to the exotics. No problem at all. Time and time again. Big dip in the road there. We stopped off for a quick fuel stop. It's a pretty long drive, nice and scenic though. I like the route that we took. Now we're out here at the gas station. It's a great JDM car as well. I believe it's a Sylvia. That's pretty cool. You got the M4 parked up right there. I'm gonna have to move it because we're kind of close to a fire hydrant. The Aventador is looking cool with the doors up. We got the red Huracan right there. 650S looking good as well. We've got a lot of Corvettes in today's video. Wasn't expecting that, but it's pretty cool. Porsche has a wing delete. As you can see, it used to have a GT style wing on it and they took it off. But this thing right here is super awesome. I'm sure this thing really felt at home inside those canyons up in AC8. So everybody just filled up some gas. We're gonna hop back inside the M4 and get back on the road. The Aventador behind us this time. It's a beautiful day out today. Look at that. Nice, but the highway is awesome. Seeing them all go through traffic. Oh, it's nice seeing the wing go up on the McLaren. Oh, that's awesome. It's a good group of cars today. Nice assortment. You got Porsche, McLaren, Lamborghini. No Ferraris today. You got some Corvettes. I think I'm the only M car now that I think about it, which is pretty cool. car looking good, sounding good as well. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.